Hey guys, Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, honey, because I got space for you, okay? Now this is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty. I basically pull myself together, okay? And I want you to go on these journeys with me, okay? So in order for you to do that, you gotta subscribe so you can be a part of the family, okay? Now those who are already a part of the family, you already know the journeys and the things that we be getting into with this hair, okay? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I did this braided ponytail number I have here, okay? If you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. As always, I'm starting off on freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled hair. The only thing I have in my hair right now is leave-in conditioner. Excuse my voice, okay? Allergies are tearing me up right now, but we're gonna get into this hairstyle, okay? Today, I'm sitting down with a plan. I know exactly what I wanna do, like as far as cornrows and a ponytail or something like that, but the design, I don't know. We're just gonna let the fingers move us and let the hair ancestors guide us and get into it, okay? Alright y'all, so you see me here just taking my hair down, getting it prepared to be styled. Just taking those 2-strand twists out, detangling a little bit. And like I said, getting everything ready. Alright. And I still have 3 twists in the bag. We'll leave that alone since we're trying to establish the front of the style right now. So as always, I'm a big side part person, so we're gonna throw a side part in this joker. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get these sections out the way so I can figure out like how I'm gonna do these braids. So like I said, just getting everything sectioned off so I can prepare for the style. Like when I'm doing my hair, I like to make sure everything is sectioned off so when I'm working, you know, the hairs won't be all over the place and things, you know, I just won't be confused. I don't want any confusion when I'm doing my style. So that's all I'm doing here, just getting all my sections established so I can get down into this style and get everything going the way it needs to go, okay? Okay, so what I went to do was I blow dried my hair on cool with my easy detangler. I just wanted to stretch it out just a little bit, but I didn't really want my hair bone straight. And so if you haven't seen my easy detangler blow dry video, definitely go ahead and check that out. It is one of the best investments I've made, and like it just gets my hair quickly dried and stretched out in no time. But anyway, back to the style. So I know I want to do some cornrows, but I gotta kind of give them the frame of my face. So I think I do want one coming down like this. I always like a braid to come down and around just to catch those edges, to keep everything nice and neat. That's like one of my go-tos for real. So now all I have to do is take this loose and give myself a part from here, going straight back. All right, so now we're gonna take this braid and braid it all the way back there. So the next thing, of course, I go with my favorite curl activator cream, just to moisturize my hair. I use my curl activators as moisturizers. I don't know about y'all. It's really a cream. It's not necessarily like the old school Jerry Curl juice curl activator. So follow it with my oil, seal everything in. And come up with some Shine and Jam just to get these edges laid down, and definitely like the roots of my hair. And y'all see me here, just starting off with that cornrow down the side of my edge here. Being sure not to grip the hair too tight. Don't want to snatch my own edges, but I want the hair taut enough so that the edges and all the hairs can just stay in place and everything can just be where I want it to be. So you see I'm just braiding this joker straight down. I'm going to go ahead and curve it around my ear and take it up the back, you know, just to establish that first braid. Okay, so you see me here just making a diagonal part so I can get ready to establish that second braid. I'm not trying to do anything too complex, but as the style goes on, it's going to be super intricate. It's going to look intricate. And you can just see me here braiding that joker straight on back just like I did the first braid. And now we have 2 braids. So I got the second braid done all the way back. And so I'm going to finish this section of hair and see where we at. See if I even like it. All right, y'all. So we got this whole side done. Looking pretty good. And so now we got to tackle this whole front and see what type of design I'm going to create with this. I'm starting off finally on the other side of my hair, this front section. And so what I decided to do with this one was take it from up the top of this part here all the way around to the back. You'll see it in a second. So I'm trying to create like an intricate style, but as you can see, I'm just using the tools that I have. Simple straight parts. That's what I kind of do best. So I'm just trying to use what I know I can do to make something that looks more complex and more intricate. But literally, y'all, it's just straight lines, maybe a diagonal line here or there, to create something that's like, wow, you did that? Sure did. Sure did. All right, so first braid on this side done. I think I like it. I could have been a little bit neater with my part right there, but you think I'm going back to fix that? We're gonna keep going. So I'm going ahead and finish up with that second braid on the other side of my hair. Now, if you're enjoying this video, and I know you are, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be aware when I drop a new video, okay? Because I want you to come back and check me out, all right? And so you see me here hitting up that third braid. This joke is just a straight back, but you see how intricate, how things are coming together. You're just like, oh my gosh. But it's just so simple. And y'all, as y'all can see, like there's really no rhyme or reason for these braids. Like literally I am just looking at the hair, parting it some kind of way and putting them braids up there, and I'm like, this cute, I like it, I support it. And the style is kind of coming together, and I love to be that kind of creative on the fly. Like I had like the main basis of the style that I wanted, but as far as like the detailing of the braids and stuff like that, this is just literally coming up off the dome as I'm braiding. Like however the comb moves, that's what the braid is gonna look like. Now this one just going straight back. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glance on how far I was braiding each of the braids back on, like beyond the crown of my head. All right, y'all, so we got all the braids done in the front, and y'all saw how they was looking. Yes, yes. I'm so excited about these. So what we're gonna do now is just take all the rest of my hair and throw this joker up into a ponytail. Yes, give us a mean ponytail. So what I did with the back of my hair is add all the same products, the curl activator cream, the olive oil, and just sealing everything in, all that good moisture. Get everything nice and smooth up the back. Get my ponytail as high as I want it. Yes, pony, I see you. Then we're gonna take my bow and put my bow around it. There. Not too tight though, okay? But just tight enough to hold all the hair together. So now what I'm about to do is just brush out this ponytail, honey. And then we're gonna braid this ponytail. We're gonna do a lot of individual braids. Now you're probably thinking like, hi, why you just didn't leave the braids that you had in, you know, from the braids from the top of your head? But since they were different sizes, I felt like the braided ponytail part would look weird. So I was like, I want to, you know, at least have more control over the size of the braids in the ponytail. So you see me here quickly braiding down the ponytail, and I did all the braids just like this. We're gonna get some of this styling foam and activate that curl on the end. Now to set the style, I went ahead and coated the top of my braids with styling foam because I want to make sure I got all the flyaways down, and I want to make sure that these braids are looking as crisp and as fresh as possible, okay? So you just see me here just piling on that styling foam on the front, on the back of that ponytail, so I won't have no flyaways in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and follow it with my scarf, and I just wore the scarf around the house until I felt as though the style was dry, and then, you know, it was time to just go ahead and take that scarf off and, you know, reveal the goodness. You see what I'm doing right here. You see how crisp this style is. Look how shiny, how much is glistening. You see those braids. You see that back slick up I got going on there. You see all that? Y'all see? Okay, hang time. Hang time. Hang time. With no added hair. Okay. Okay. I'm so hyped. I'm so glad this turned out really well. Like, as y'all know, every single video, like, I am hyped and impressed with myself, okay? Like, that is the beauty and the magic and the wonder of doing your own hair, trying new things. It's just like, I can't believe I can do this. And I did it, okay? If you guys enjoyed this braided ponytail tutorial, okay, be sure to like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think, okay? If you have any other hairstyle ideas, any combinations, any mashups, anything like that you want to see, leave it down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family, all right? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.